Hello my fellow friends and teacher. I am Gui Jijin from Group 16. Today, me and my member would like to discuss a fascinating topic that holds immense significance for our Malaysia's future, the vision elements of Malaysia's digital economy. Let's take a moment to review the key section we have explored. Now, let's talk about the introduction of the Malaysia digital economy. Firstly, the adoption of technology helps Malaysia embrace cloud computing, IoT, AI, and blockchain, which are important for Malaysia's future growth. Secondly, the digital economy contributes significantly to Malaysia's GDP, with a remarkable 15.6% in 2020. By strengthening the digital economy, we can enhance its impact on economic growth. Thirdly, various sectors such as transportation, education, property development, and financial services have embraced digital solutions, expanding the digital economy scope and reach. Lastly, to improve Malaysian citizens' living standards, the digital economy enhance productivity and generate society income. Malaysia's digital economy holds immense potential. By focusing on technology adoption, increasing its contribution to GDP, digitalizing sectors, and enhancing productivity, I believe Malaysia can realize its vision for a better digital economy.
Next, we will be looking at introduction to vision of digital economy in Malaysia. Malaysia's vision for a digital economy needs to utilize technology and innovation to drive economic growth, enhance competitiveness, and improve the life of its citizens. However, Malaysia faces digital economy challenges in certain areas. These include digital skill gaps, limited access to digital infrastructure, low digital adoption across the society, and short of supportive ecosystem to support digitalization in local enterprises. To address this issue, Malaysia can pursue the vision by using AI in smart warehouse, adoption of robotics in smart healthcare, and access of Internet of Things in smart environment to improve its digital economy.
So now I'll be talking about smart healthcare in robotics. With the development of digital information, smart healthcare has gradually come to the fore. Here are the conditions that the current public hospital facing, which are the medical staff still relying on the manual labor, which cause the overwhelming in peak period. Secondly, is large financial allocation in public hospital. Malaysia government has allocated the amounting 36.1 billion ringgit, which is the largest allocations increase in budget 2023, including 3 billion for 1,500 contracts and permanent doctors, nurses, and pharmacists. Although Malaysia has allocated many funds in healthcare industry, but there is still lacking of specialist doctor in Malaysia. If Malaysia want to transform to smart healthcare, huge investment needed for the transformation. Based on the table here, we can see there are many lacking specialists in medical industry in between 2025 and 2030. To resolve the issues of insufficient specialists in Malaysia healthcare industry, they could apply the smart healthcare. The slide will show the features and impact for each example. Firstly, Malaysia government could practice the hospital located at Guangzhou and Wuhan in China. They use the robot to transfer the medicine, bloods, and drug in the hospital without involvement of humans. The robot would reduce the work of the nurses in the hospital and enable them to more focus on other important works rather than only sending the medicine to patients. Furthermore, government could practice the Seoul National University Hospital, develop a robotic system to enable the patients to communicate with the medical staff remotely by using the telepresence technology. The technology allows the patients to visit doctor remotely. Patients no need to quit for the long hours in the public hospital and prevent overcrowding. Moreover, specialists in cardiothoracic surgery is lacking in the future, and the surgery is considered one of the most complicated surgery. However, the surgery now can be replaced by the AI, and it could assist the doctor to predict the risk of hypoglycemia and provide explanations of the risk factor to accurate level. Additionally, robotic cardiac surgery is one of the robotic systems has frequently used in Europe and United States. This provides advantages in terms of less bleeding, pain, and quick recovery, and the robot provides excellent results. Government could invest on this technology by providing sufficient budgets to fulfill the demand in future.
Next, we'll be looking at the second vision element, which is smart environment, that will be focusing on the waste management system. The term smart environment refers to technologically supported techniques and features for resolving environmental issues such as air pollution and waste management. Due to the elevated grade urbanization, Malaysian households are estimated to generate more than 35,000 tons of waste per day. The unmanaged domestic waste would emit harmful greenhouse gas, potentially leading to climate crises such as global warming and flash floods, restricting Malaysia to create a smart environment. To solve this issue, Malaysia could apply smart waste management system by creating smart trash bin that hosts 3 features. First, the sensors are used to detect the waste level and the location of the bins. The census data will then be collected and transmitted to a gateway via a LoRaWAN transceiver module and being stored in the cloud system. Once the smart trash bin is full, the sensor will generate real-time signal and be transmitted by the RF transmitter to the local base station to inform them about sending a garbage truck to collect the trash. Here is a picture of the function of the smart trash bin. The creation of smart trash bin has provided 4 positive impacts. First, the smart trash bin help waste management companies to optimize the bin placement by using and interpreting real-time data on the location that collects the most and least waste. Secondly, workers could avoid collecting rubbish blindly by identifying the spots that requires collection using the current data. The smart trash bin therefore could help to accelerate the staff productivity in managing the waste. This has helped to ensure the waste is removed before the bins are full, eliminating the necessities to discharge excess rubbish to the landfills. This results in an improvement in the country's waste management system and avoid environmental damage like global warming caused by uncontrolled trash. Lastly, since the smart garbage bin make use of IoT like cloud computing and RF transmitter will benefit Malaysia's digital development. The government will invest in technology to ensure that the IoT connection and the cloud service are running smoothly. This helps to improve the digitalization and accelerates Malaysia's digital economic growth.
The third vision element is smart logistics. Malaysia's logistics industry is currently trapped between Industry 2.0 and 3.0 in this era of rapidly evolving technologies. This is due to poor adoption rate of smart warehouse and smart delivery, which is linked to complacency and the lack of tech sector knowledge and the awareness of Logistics 4.0 toward Malaysian enterprises. Malaysia organization could consider implement automated guided vehicles that are used to replace manual forklift. The features of AGV are that it can obtain external environmental and own position information through electromagnetic or optical automatic guidance devices. Furthermore, the warehouse's control system would analyze the real-time data collected to interpret the physical obstacle and coordinate with different robots to avoid collision and congestion in the warehouse. This enables the devices to run and park within the warehouse smoothly and efficiently. Moreover, the big data of the AGV location, condition, and attribute will be stored in a cloud computing system to avoid losing vital information in the complex AGV environment. The AGV has provided many advantages. First, the AGV can operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, which may increase warehouse productivity by eliminating errors and reducing worker intervention. This helps to reduce the number of workers needed in the warehouse operation, bringing down the labor costs. Since forklift has been replaced with AGV, warehouses accident reduces and workers could work in a safer place. Last, AGV require fast internet connection to access control algorithm and a virtualized programmable logic controller. Therefore, the government would invest in 5G to support AGV operation, giving opportunities to Malaysia to develop its digital infrastructure.
There are numerous issues with the current delivery system, including low operational efficiency, delivery failure, cargo theft, and deterioration of perishable goods. The solution to enhance smart delivery is by using RFID. RFID is an automatic identification and data collection technology that could be used in tracking movement of goods. There are two major parts to RFID. That is the antenna and the microchips. The microchips is used to store serial number and other object data, while the antenna translates the data on the RFID tag into a format that can be understood by computer, which enable the microchips to send object information to reader. Utilizing RFID in distribution can significantly decrease the amount of time spent sorting logistics, save money on labor, and raise the degree of accuracy and management of logistic distribution.
In conclusion, technology advancement help Malaysia's digital economy. People are able to do online business and digital payments through e-wallet. The government has proposed visionary goals to maintain Malaysia's digitalized society and drive economic growth. By implementing smart healthcare, smart environments, and smart logistic elements can help achieve this all vision. These elements, supported by IoT technologies, offer benefits like improved medical services, optimized waste management, and streamlined logistics. By embracing technology and fostering digitalization, I believe Malaysia can accelerate its digital economy, lower costs, and enhance quality of life. In closing, I would like to thank you for your time and attention during this presentation.